How to fix WhatsApp backup failing to Google Drive. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix WhatsApp backup failing to Google Drive. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First, you'll need to do some initial checks and fixes. For that, you'll have to check your Wi-Fi's connection. You can switch to your mobile data or a better and stronger and stable internet connection. After you've done that, you might have to restart your app such as your WhatsApp. So restart your app like WhatsApp, and even you can restart your entire device. For that, press the power button and the volume up button together, and a simple restart might fix your problem for you. If not, you'll need to check your WhatsApp and Google Drive's permission. So head over to your settings, head over to apps. From here, search for WhatsApp and go to permissions. From here, make sure that you have given it all the necessary permissions, and after you've done that, you can then go back. Now, for the exact fixing or the exact finding out what the problem is, you can head over to your Google Drive. Locate your drive and open it up. Check if your drive has enough storage or not. Open up your drive, log in into your account, and on the top left corner you'll find three lines. Tap on that and you'll find the storage option. So make sure you have enough storage available and it's not almost out of the storage like it's on mine. So you can clear out your storage, you can give it some space, and if you don't have storage, the backup will fail due to less or no storage at all. So you can delete some stuff from your drive. For that, you can long press on whatever you have on your drive, tap on the three dots on the top right, and then you can move it to bin. So basically make enough space for the backup. After you've done that, you can then start with the backup again. If not, what you'll need to do is, if you do have enough storage available, you might have to clear out some caches. So head over to your settings, go to apps, go to WhatsApp, go to storage and cache, clear out your storage and cache. After you've cleared both of those out, your problem might be fixed. Now for the final tips, make sure you have disabled your VPNs or proxies and delete the backup from your Google Drive and try to back it up again. Doing those will fix your problem. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.